If you want to stop an app from running in the background, there's a few different ways you can do that. We'll go to Settings first, and from there, scroll down to Apps. Then from the list of apps, you'll pick the app you want to prevent from running in the background, and within the app settings, you'll scroll down to Battery. Here's where you restrict the app from running in the background. Apps can have unrestricted or optimized access to run in the background, but the restricted option is sort of a nuclear option for an individual app. It tells Android, "This app is forbidden from doing anything unless it is open on my screen right now." It will stop syncing, stop sending notifications, and stop tracking your location the second you swipe it away. If you're on a Samsung tablet, there's another way you can prevent apps from running in the background. Go back to Settings, and in the main settings, you'll scroll to Battery. Then go to Background Usage Limits, and from there we'll go to Deep Sleeping Apps. This is a list of apps that will never run in the background, and they only work when you open the app. Adding an app here is like putting it in a coma. It won't wake up for updates, it won't send you pings, and it won't use your battery until you manually tap its icon to wake it up. And that's how you prevent an app from running in the background. Click the like button if this helped you and subscribe for more guides like this.